Okay, so little recap from what we have studied last time in last class. So we understood that if there is any business you take in example, either cake business or retail business, cement business, any business you take, software business, any organization you take, then either they will sell product or they will render service. That is their major work. Now, whenever while doing this, either selling or rendering the services, what is their major purpose? To earn the profit. To earn the profit. That is their major purpose of any business. And how can they know how much profit they are earning? Or what is their what is their business position? Their business position is good, bad, average. How they can get to know? For that, every company has to prepare the financial statements. Preparing the financial statement is not optional. Company want to know their financial position. Along with that, even government is also interested in your business because every company also have to pay the taxes to the government. So how government will get to know that how much you are supposed to pay the tax, or how you'll get to know that how much you are supposed to pay the taxes to government? For that you have to prepare the financial statements. So preparing the financial statements are not optional. It is a mandatory by any business. So financial statements are first income statement. This is the first financial statements. Income statement. It is also known as a profit and loss account. Profit and loss statement. This basically all your income minus all your expenses you are going to record. So all income minus all your expenses will be recorded in your income statement. And basically income statement are prepared for the period, for the year, not for, and is basically prepared for the period. If you look at in newspaper or any website of any company financial statement, they will tell that income statement for the year 2023 to 2024, or for the year 2025 fiscal year, or 2024 fiscal year, 2023, or quarter 1, quarter 2. Like this, uh, income statement will be represented. Income statement is always for the period. If you are going to prepare the income statement for 2024 fiscal year, you cannot include 2023 profit, sales or expenses in 2024. Neither you can include 2025 income or expenses in 2024 uh, income statement. So it is only for the period or for the year you are preparing. For that particular period or year, whatever income and expenses is incurred, only those you have to record in the income statement, so that you'll get to know how much profit, how much loss you are making for this quarter, for next quarter, for next quarter, or for this whole fiscal year. Based on that, you have to pay tax to the government. So income statement is very much important. Not only just to pay the tax, even you also need to know how much profit or loss you are making from the business. Next point, next financial statement is balance sheet. Balance sheet, basically it records all the liabilities, and all the assets are recorded in the balance sheet. And this balance sheet is generally prepared age on date. Age on date, meaning that since you have started your business till today, till the day you are preparing, what is the financial position? It is not prepared for any particular fiscal year, or it is not prepared for any particular quarter. In generally in the balance sheet, you write age on date, age on. You'll write like this, age on 31st December 2024, like let's say you are like writing like this, meaning then till this date, what is my asset, what is my liabilities. It is not only for 2024 fiscal year, it is till this date. Since you started your business till today date, what is my total liabilities and what is my total assets. So that is recorded in the balance sheet. Balance sheet is also very important, one of the financial statement which is required. Let's say if you want to take the loan from the bank, then bank will look at your balance sheet, then only they will give you the loan. Otherwise they will not give the loan. They'll look at how much you have already taken the liabilities, or how much you have already taken the loan, what are the your asset you have. So they'll look at your balance sheet, they'll analyze your balance sheet, then only they'll render you loan. Otherwise they'll not give you loan. So balance sheet is also very important financial statement for any of the business. Even you also need balance sheet to analyze, to take the right decision for your own business. Balance sheet is always prepared age on date, which includes all the liabilities and all the assets till the date. The next you have is known as a cash flow statement. Cash flow statement, inflow of cash and outflow of cash. So it basically records inflow and outflow of cash. How much cash is coming in your business and how much cash is going out of your business. Then fourth financial statement is of change in equity. This basically records what is the position of the shareholders in the business. What is the ownership? What is the percentage of ownership of every shareholders in the business? So that is recorded in the statement of change in equity. Let's say you and me, Pawan and Hari has invested initially, let's say initial capital you invested 100,000, I invested 50,000. So this is our initial capital position. Percentage, if you look at the percentage of shareholder, percentage of holders, you are total capital become 1,50,000. So 1 lakh divided by 1,50,000. This is your percentage. You are almost owning 66.67. I am owning 50,000 divided by 1,50,000. My shareholder percentage multiplied by percentage. So this is our shareholders percentage in the beginning when you invested, when you started the business. Later on, what will happen? We may invest few more capital, we may withdraw our capital. Let's say we are additional investment. Let's say you made another 50,000 investment. I didn't make any investment. So what happened now? If you calculate same percentage of shareholder, it will be changing. Let's say, so this statement of change in equity also you have to prepare. You have to prepare At the year end, what is the shareholders position? Who is having how much percentage of share? This is very important if you are registered in the SEBI. If you are registered in the stock exchange, this statement of change in equity you have to disclose who has more ownership in your business. So here now percentage of shareholder, how will calculate? See, total capital become 2 lakh because 1 lakh you have invested earlier, 50,000 again invested. So total become 1 lakh, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 1.5 lakh yours, 50,000 is mine. So 1 lakh 50,000 divided by 2 lakh percentage. 75 percentage shareholders and I am just 25 percentage. See, my shareholders percentage got decreased. I was owning 33 percentage, but since you invested 50,000 more, you from 66.67 you become 75%. I become 25 percentage. Then if you are making any additional profit, if your business is making any profit, so profit you have to add. Let's say we withdraw if you withdraw your capital, the capital, let's say you withdraw 25%, 25,000 you withdraw. I didn't withdraw anything. Now what will be the percentage of shareholders? Total capital remain now how much? 1 lakh 50,000, 50, only 1 lakh 75,000 is total capital. In that 1 lakh 75,000, your capital is 1 lakh 25,000. Okay. So 1 lakh 25,000, lakh 25,000 divided by 1 lakh 75,000 percent. This is your shareholders percentage. What is my percentage? 25,000 divided by 1 lakh 75,000 percent. Like this is known as a statement of change in equity. So this also you have to prepare. Similarly, if your business earn any profit, your capital will increase. If your business make any loss, your capital will decrease in the proportionate of your investment. Okay. So this is known as a change of statement of change in equity. Means what is the percentage of each shareholders ownership in the business. So this also you have to prepare. Many a time shareholders will take decision to invest in your company in the share market based on the who is owning what percentage. If shareholders are decreasing their holding in the company, even retail investor or other investor will get fear. They will think that if shareholders themselves are selling the shares, it means that they don't have their own faith on the business. Why to invest? Sometime, let's say LIC is investing in some company, or let's say some big investors are investing in some company, then other investor will get confidence. They will think that, oh, this company is investing, it means that this company is really good. If any company all of a sudden start investing in XYZ company, then everybody will feel that, okay, this company is going to do something big. That's the reason. Yes, DFC is also investing, SBI is also investing, LIC is also investing. So how they'll get to know that who is investing how much? Because in their financial statement, that company has to disclose their statement of change in equity, who has how much ownership. So this is important. Now fifth number is note to auditor. So this is a special comment given by the auditor, who is whoever is a chartered accountant, when he's auditing your financial statements or when he's preparing the financial statements, he has to give any comment if there is anything uh, which he has to feel that he there is also guideline, but he feel that it has to be disclosed to the shareholders or to the public. He has to write in the note. For example, if company is having some case in the court, pending case in the court, and If they lose the case, there may be huge penalty they have to pay to the person who has filed the case. In that scenario, they have to mention that one. While auditing, they found something, some invoice copy or some proof is not sufficient. Something non-compliance things are found. So they have to mention that in the note to auditor. So what happened? People, whoever want to know the about your company, they can read the auditor note and they can understand what is the really good or bad about the company. So that their findings, it's like summary, their finding they have to write into note to auditor. So these are the important financial statement of any company they have to prepare. Now what I'm trying to tell basically is that whichever company you, whichever software you use to prepare this financial statement, whichever software you use Oracle, you use SAP, you use JD Edward, you use PeopleSoft, you use ban, use Cispro, any software you use, ultimate result will be same. The ultimate result will remain same. Nobody can change, no software can change the ultimate finding, ultimate outcome. But the process, the steps, the user convenient, the security, the cost effective differs from one software to another software. The handling the business process from one software to another software, it differs. That is the reason people go over one software over another software. Some people are good with SAP, and really for some business SAP is good because SAP has capability of dealing your business process. Some so for some business process Oracle is best. Oracle can handle your business process. So whenever any business decide to use the software, they speak about their business process. They tell that these are my business process. I'm doing selling activities in this way, meaning that sometime I sell from a store, sometime I sell from my own website, sometime I sell from retail, sometime I sell from wholesale, sometime I sell from online, that is third party online, let's say Amazon or Flipkart. Sometime many a time my sales activities happen in the export. So they will explain all their business process, how they're purchasing, how they're manufacturing, how they're selling, how they're doing HR related activities, how they're doing project related activities. They'll explain their whole business to the person, to these software companies. And each software company will tell that, okay, for this business process, my software is good. My software had this capability. Some another software will tell my software had this capability. Okay. They will tell that my software is more secure. Nobody can hack my software. Data security is very strong. It is very cost effective. It is very user friendly. It is very easy to integrate with other softwares. So everybody will pitch their own good and bad about the software. But ultimate result is same. Ultimate outcome is same. Ultimately every software will give this financial statements. If your shareholders equity is 71.43% and 14.29% is mine, no matter which ERP you use, every ERP will show same percentage. For you this much, for me this much. It doesn't mean that if I use Oracle, it will become 50-50. If I use SAP, it will become 75% and 25%. No, it will remain same. But the way it helps you to prepare these reports, the way it helps you to prepare the cash flow, the way it helps you to prepare the balance sheet, the way it helps you to record the income statement differs from one software to another software. That is the reason people choose different software based on their convenient, but ultimate result remain same. Ultimate result remain same. So that one point you have to understand very carefully. No matter which software you use, ultimate result is same. But the process differs from one software to another software. So now since we are going to learn about the SAP, let us see little bit feature of the SAP. Since we are going to learn about the SAP, we have to vouch for the SAP. So here SAP SC, SAP SC, this is the company name. This is the company name. SAP SC is a company name. Earlier this company name was SAP GmbH. Then final name is SAP SC. Then SAP AG also they change their name, SAP AG. Final name is SAP SC. Like how we have Infosys Limited, Wipro Limited, SCL, Patanjali, Walmart. So this is like company name. And this company is a German based company. It is a German based company. This company basically prepare the or make the software, enterprise software. Enterprise is nothing but company related software. They build the software which can be used by the companies. For what purpose? To do the accounting. They don't prepare any gaming software that you can use for play the game, or they don't prepare any WhatsApp related software that you can do the chatting. They prepare the software for the company to do the accounting. So it is the company name. So when you say that I want to learn about the when you want to learn the SAP, I am sure you are not going to learn about the SAP SC company. You are going to learn about their product. So this company has built lot of product in the market. They have lot of product in the market. So, but one good part is that, or bad part of is that every product name they have started from their company name itself. Let's say Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola company name is also Coca-Cola and product name is also Coca-Cola. Apple. Apple company name is also Apple and mobile name is also Apple, but people say sometimes iPhone. Otherwise Apple. Company name is also same, product name is also same. Samsung, Samsung. So here also they have many products, many software products they have, but they have named their each product by a company name. Let's say SAP CRM. This is one product. So these are the products. Products. SAP CRM, SAP SRM, SAP ERP, SAP ERP, SAP S4 HANA. Likewise, their product name is different. Their product name is different product they have made, but every product name they have started from the company name. From the company name they have made. So that is the reason we should not get confused. So this is the company, these are their products. There are a lot of products are there. So this was the in ECC version, this was the latest one, SAP ERP. So this is the latest one in ECC. But now we are going to learn SAP S4 HANA. This is the latest in S4 HANA. So you are going to learn about this product. You are not going to learn about company. So when you say that I'm going to learn SAP, you are going to learn about this one. Currently you are going to learn this product. And we'll have little overview of this product also. SAP ERP. This is ECC. Older version. Older version. And this is the newer version. This is the latest version. So this is what we are going to learn. See here. So here if you see, these are their product. SAP S/4HANA, SAP HANA, SAP ERP, SAP CRM, PLM, SAP SCM, SAP SRM, SAP SuccessFactors. See, every product name almost they are starting from their company name, and their company is a this name. This is the company name, SAP SC. But their product name is also starting from SAP name itself, company name itself. So you are not going to learn every product of the SAP company. You are going to learn this one. This one, SAP S/4HANA. This is the product. You are going to learn about this product because this is the latest the accounting software which we are planning to learn. So you'll be learning about this product. This product you are going to learn SAP S/4HANA. This is the product you are going to learn. Now, what is the advantage of this product? Why, if any company do their accounting in this product of the SAP, what advantage they will get? First of all, what I feel personally, SAP, when any company do their accounting in SAP software or in SAP S/4HANA, first thing, it is integrated software. What is called integrated software? Integrated software means each department. First of all, in business, there are a lot of departments are there. You have marketing department, you have production department, you have sales department, you have purchasing department, you have finance department, you have a lot more departments. So SAP has given different module for every department to handle. It is not a single module. A different module is been designed to handle different department of the business, and all these modules are integrated. All these modules are integrated. Let's say I want to accept some sales order. Let's say customer order some laptop. Let's say I'm working in the Samsung, and customer order let's say 10 mobile, and salesman should not be confused either really 10 mobile is available in the stock or not, because although he is working in the sales department, but you'll have the access of the inventory which may be maintained in the production department. So he can easily access the data of other department. Before accepting the sales order, he can easily access the finance data, either what is the history of the customer. If customer has already purchased from the company, either he has made the payment on time or not. What is his payment pattern? What is the bad debt pattern? Either I can give the credit sales to customer or not. A salesman can analyze it easily because he will have the data of all the department accessible, because all the department data are integrated in SAP. So you no need to call to finance department. Hey, this customer has uh, given the order. Should I accept his order? Till how much I can give the order? Till how many days I can give the credit? You no need to worry. You no need to call to anyone. You just go in SAP and access whatever data you want to know. It is integrated. Let's say your plant manufacturing plant is in India and your sales office is in Dubai. You no need to call from Dubai to India to know what is the inventory position. You can, sitting at Dubai itself, you can get to know the what is the how many quantities are available in whichever plant. You can easily get to know. That is the beauty of the SAP ERP or SAP software. So this is one of the very big advantage which I feel. Second point is security. Data security is very high in SAP. At least I have never seen that anybody hacked or did the cyber attack in the SAP ERP and they stolen the data. I have not heard. Data security is very high. Then user friendly. User friendly. It is user friendly also. Then easy to integrate with third party. So you might have visited either Patanjali or you might have visited DMart. In the front, whenever you purchase any item, they will do scanning and they'll do the billing. But backend it is getting posted to the SAP software. So their billing software is integrated with the SAP software backend. So each recording, each shading activity DMart is performing or Patanjali is performing is automatically getting integrated with SAP. So integration with any third party tool is very easy. Let's say I am, let's say I'm Reliance. My company is Reliance. Reliance is selling their product in the Amazon or in the Flipkart. The moment any customer gives order in Amazon or in Flipkart, it will automatically create the sales order in SAP. I can integrate my SAP with Amazon website or with Flipkart website. It's very easy. It is very flexible. SAP is very easy, very flexible to integrate with any third party tool. Or let's say there is some approval process, approval mechanism is there. Let's say I'm posting some invoice in SAP and I want someone to approve it before it really goes for payment. And I'm very sure that all time my seniors are not available in front of SAP. I can integrate with WhatsApp also my SAP. So the moment I post the invoice, it will trigger the message in your mobile. So it's very flexible. Everything, anything is possible in SAP. Then fifth point, these days SAP is in artificial intelligence. It is in robotics. So it is adapting new technology which are coming in the market. So all new technologies are getting embedded in SAP. Lot of innovations SAP is doing. So these are the features which I really like personally in SAP. And SAP a lot of functionality which I don't think any other software is giving. In a single software, it is meeting every kind of business need. Either you are in private sector, public sector, government sector, either you are in small industry, large, medium, or you are in healthcare, either you are in utilities, either you are in FMCG, in real estate, in whichever area you are. SAP product is designed in such a way that it can meet any kind of need for any kind of customer. So it is a like all-in-one concept SAP has developed. Now, so these are the major advantage which I feel personally. Okay, there can be other so many. Now we got to know that we are going to learn about this product SAP S4 HANA. So now let us see little bit about this part. Full form, I'm not going to talk about full form as of now because no need to mug up. Let's see in this there are basically two kind of modules. One is known as a functional module and another is a technical module. In functional module, you'll be learning something called finance, In shortcut, it is known as a FI. Then you'll be learning controlling. In shortcut, it is known as CO. If you know both, then you'll become FICO consultant. Then we have material management. Functional means which don't require much technical knowledge. You don't need to be the software engineer to become any of this functional module consultant. That's the reason we say functional modules, meaning that you don't want any coding knowledge much. So these are the modules. Then sales and distribution, it is known as SD. Then production planning, it is known as the PP module. Then you have project system, it is known as the PS module. You have human resource, human resource management, HRM module, which deals with the HR related activities. Then you have investment management module, investment management, IM module. Likewise, you have FSCM. Lot of modules are there in SAP. In SAP S4 HANA also, these are the functional modules. These are the functional module. And in this, you are going to learn these two modules. So you are going to learn finance and you are going to learn controlling. If you learn the finance and controlling, you'll become FICO consultant. Here technical, we have ABAP, we have basis, we have security. These are the some technical things there. These are the technical module who are generally from engineering background. They go for technical module. Who are generally like commerce, CA, BCom, then ICWA or BA, science, who are not knowing the coding knowledge. All those people can learn any of the functional module. So for commerce people, this module is good. FICO module is good to learn. Okay, fine, right? Or any doubt? Anything
No,
you have
sir.
to ask?
Thank.
Or anything you want to add, Prasan?
No, sir. The like whatever you have said is 100% absolutely right.
And what about Pawan? Pawan is not available. I think he went. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Yeah. See you tomorrow. Yeah. Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay, thank you.